Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, minced with onion, oatmeal, suet, spices, and salt, mixed with stock. The ingredients are traditionally encased in the animal's stomach and simmered for several hours. However, modern haggis recipes often use synthetic casings or replace the stomach with a synthetic substitute. Haggis has its roots in the medieval period, when sheep's pluck was considered a delicacy. In the 16th century, haggis became associated with Burns Night, a celebration of the life and works of Scottish poet Robert Burns. Burns Night is celebrated on January 25 to commemorate his birthday and death. Haggis is typically served with mashed potatoes, turnips or swede, also known as rutabaga, and sometimes cabbage or carrot. The dish has been a staple of Scotland's cuisine for centuries, particularly among the rural population. In the 18th century, haggis was considered a poor man's food due to its simplicity and use of cheap ingredients. However, with the rise of industrialization, haggis became more accessible and gained popularity among the middle class. Today, haggis is enjoyed not only in Scotland but also around the world, particularly on Burns Night celebrations. Some recipes include additional ingredients such as beef or pork to enhance flavor. The use of oatmeal gives haggis its distinctive texture and helps bind the mixture together. Haggis can be cooked using various methods, including boiling, steaming, or pan frying. Traditional cooking methods involve encasing the mixture in a sheep's stomach and simmering for several hours. Modern recipes often omit this step due to practicality and availability of synthetic casings. Some variations of haggis include adding different spices, herbs, or vegetables to give it a unique flavor profile. The addition of whiskey is sometimes considered to enhance the flavor and character of the dish. While sheep's pluck was once considered luxurious, today's haggis recipes often use cheaper alternatives due to rising costs. Despite its humble origins, haggis has become an iconic symbol of Scottish cuisine and culture. From Burns Night celebrations to family gatherings, haggis plays a significant role in Scottish culinary traditions. In some regions, haggis is paired with other traditional Scottish dishes like neeps and tatties, mashed turnips and potatoes. Regional variations of haggis include different ingredients or cooking methods specific to the area. Haggis has gained popularity worldwide due to its unique flavor, profile, and cultural significance. From fine dining restaurants to casual gatherings, haggis is enjoyed by people from diverse backgrounds. Traditional Scottish haggis recipes often reflect the country's history and social context. The use of sheep's pluck in haggis reflects Scotland's long history of sheep farming. Haggis has become a staple at many international food festivals and events. Some chefs have experimented with vegetarian or vegan alternatives to traditional haggis recipes. Modern haggis recipes often include creative twists on traditional ingredients and flavors. The cultural significance of haggis extends beyond its taste, reflecting Scotland's history, traditions, and social values. Haggis is celebrated not only in Scotland but also globally through Burns Night events and culinary festivals. In some countries, haggis has become a popular food item outside of Burns Night celebrations. While its origins may be rooted in rural Scotland, haggis has gained international recognition due to its unique character. Some recipes include additional ingredients like beef or pork to enhance flavor and texture. Haggis is not only a dish but also an experience, representing Scottish culture and tradition.